Hello friends. Welcome back to this channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about usage of AWS Secrets Manager. So today in this lecture, the example that we are going to take is a Python code. Python code that is connected to our database. And this Python code requires a username, password, and the hostname of the relational database. Now the question is, where I have to store these details, these sensitive informations like password? Now there are several different options to handle this, but in this lecture we are going to discuss about Secrets Manager. So how to use Secrets Manager to securely store our credentials, any secrets. That could be a database, password, or anything which is sensitive and which should be safe and secure. So here for this demo, I have created relational database service with mysql engine in AWS. So let's go and find its details for connecting. So we need to have its endpoint, port number, username, and password. Here I am using mysql Workbench for interacting with my database. Initially, I want to have a table, so that my application written in Python will interact to this database server, and insert data into it. So here I am going to create a new table with name employees and it has ID and name. Now here as you can see, I have written a Python code using mysql connector. It is connecting to my database on its host, username, password, and the database I am gonna use is DemoDB, cause employee table is created inside this database. And then I am opening a cursor on this one. This actually gets me a connection to my database. Here I am preparing my inside query to insert data into my table. So here its ID, and its name. And for that I am preparing my inside query to insert data into my table. So here is employee ID followed by name, and then I am executing it. After execution I am committing my transaction. And then in the end, I am printing record inserted, okay? So let's open the terminal. Let's do Python, and the file name. Okay, one record is successfully inserted. So let's go and check that from mysql Workbench. Yes, we have data there. Now in order to work with this example, we need to have Python 3 installed on our system. And along with Python 3, we also need to have mysql connector installed. So for installing mysql connector you need to run command pip install and then mysql connector. So as you can see, it is already installed in my system. It says requirement is already satisfied. So now I am able to connect and insert data into my database. But my concern is I cannot keep my password like this in the code, which is not safe. Now there are several different ways to handle this. But in this example, I am going to store all my details like hostname, password inside my Secrets Manager, so that it will safe and secure. As you can see here is my AWS Management Console. So now let's go to AWS Secrets Manager. Let's click on Store a new secret. Here you can see, there are different types of templates there. If you want to store secrets of relational database, I could directly use this template. So let's select this template called credential for RDS. Now here, we have to specify our username and password. And now information is by default encrypted with a default encryption key. If you want even better security, you can create your own KMS for encrypting that information. Scroll down. Select that database that you want to store in the secrets. Now here we have to give a name to our secret. So you can keep this information relevant to your application name. So now here, we have automatic key rotation. Usually in companies, cybersecurity teams will mandate saying you have to rotate your passwords every 30 days or every 60 days. So that can be completely automated using the automatic rotation, which is supported by Secrets Manager. But for this session I don't want to use that. I want to keep that disabled. So go next. And it's also giving you a sample code for accessing our secrets from the Secrets Manager. But anyways, leave that for now. Hit store. Remember, only authorized application and authorized users will have access to this. Retrieve. So I have access. So I am able to see the information which is stored in this Secrets Manager. But in real-time scenarios everybody may not have access to this. You can also view that as a plain text. Behind the scenes your information is stored as a JSON string. So now I want to eliminate this piece of information from my code, and access that from Secrets Manager and start connecting to my database. So I need to use Python SDK for AWS, which is Boto 3. So like we install MySQL connector, we also need to install this Boto 3 on our system. In my case it is already there. Then, we need to get the client of Secrets Manager. So search for Boto 3 Secrets Manager. Open it. First copy this, and paste it here. Now here, I want to show you how to get secret value. So click on Get Secret Values. So it provides more information about how to get the secret details. So here's secret ID. So secret ID is the name of the secret we have gave here. Version ID and version stage they are not required for now, so remove it. Go and check the return type. So as you can see it is dictionary. So in that response, I want to access secret string from a response that returns back my JSON object in the form of a string. But I want to convert that string into my dictionary. It will be easy access the data by passing keys. So I want to take help of JSON module. So JSON loads string and return back a dictionary. So I need to access host name from this secret dictionary. So let's go and find out what is its key in Secrets Manager. So here you can see the key is host. Likewise, I need to get the username. It is username. The key storing password inside Secrets Manager is password. And for DB name the key is DB name. Now, we are completely eliminating, or separating all our secrets from our source code. We are securely storing them in Secrets Manager. Now let me execute this program. First let me change the values here. So as you can see, it successfully inserted one more record, but now in this example, we are getting all the details of my database from Secrets Manager. So let's query the table using MySQL Workbench. Okay, I see that new record inserted into my table. So this is how you can access your database credentials from AWS Secrets Manager. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next lecture. If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.